Namaskar world, and welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about a powerful force of nature that affects millions of people around the globe every year: hurricanes. What would you do if a massive storm was heading your way? Would you be ready? Stick with us, because in this video we'll talk about how hurricanes form, the risks they bring, and most importantly, how to stay safe before, during, and after a hurricane. Hurricanes can seem terrifying, but the truth is, with preparation and knowledge, you can protect yourself and your loved ones. And remember, disasters don't wait. Let's get into it. A hurricane, also known as a tropical cyclone, is a massive storm system that forms over warm ocean waters and brings strong winds, heavy rain, and flooding. According to the U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, hurricanes can have wind speeds over 119 kilometers per hour or 74 miles per hour. The stronger the storm, the more damage it can cause. The Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale ranks hurricanes from Category 1, least severe, to Category 5, most catastrophic. These storms draw energy from warm, moist air over the ocean, and with rising sea temperatures due to climate change, hurricanes are becoming more intense and more frequent. Hurricanes typically strike coastal regions. In the US, the Gulf Coast and East Coast are particularly vulnerable. Globally, countries like India, Bangladesh, the Philippines, and Mexico regularly face cyclones and typhoons. According to the World Meteorological Organization, or WMO, the Western Pacific and Indian Oceans are among the most active hurricane basins in the world. Let's look at some real examples. Hurricane Katrina, in 2005, caused over 1,800 deaths in the US and cost over $100 billion in damages. Cyclone Fani, in 2019 in India, displaced over 1.2 million people. Hurricane Ian, in 2022, devastated Florida, causing severe flooding and power outages. Typhoon Haiyan in 2013 in the Philippines was one of the deadliest ever, with over 6,000 confirmed deaths. These disasters teach us that early warnings and preparedness can save lives. Thankfully, technology helps us today. Satellites, Doppler radar, and supercomputers allow scientists to track storms early. Recent advancements in artificial intelligence could play a major role as well. The Indian Meteorological Department, or IMD, NOAA, and the Japan Meteorological Agency issue timely alerts. In most cases, people have hours or even days to prepare. Always install weather alert apps like the FEMA app for USA, IMD Alert app for India, or Global Disaster Alert and Coordination System for global disasters. They provide real-time updates and tips. The most effective way to survive a hurricane: be ready before it strikes. Here's how you must do it. Prepare your family emergency kit. Pack essentials like water, non-perishable food, first aid supplies, flashlights, power banks, medications, and important documents. Make an evacuation plan. Know your evacuation routes. Plan where you'll go and how you'll get there. Invest in home safety. Install storm shutters, check your roof, clear gutters, and trim weak branches. Review your home and flood insurance policies. Always stay informed. Follow local weather alerts promptly. If told to evacuate, leave immediately. If you decide to stay indoors and away from windows. Turn off gas, electricity, and water if instructed. Avoid using candles, use flashlights instead. Stay in a small windowless room on the lowest floor. Don't go outside until authorities declare it safe. The eye of the hurricane can trick you. Initially there's calm, then chaos returns. Even after the winds die down, danger still remains. Floodwaters may be contaminated or electrified. Avoid driving through flooded roads. Just 6 inches of water can knock you down, and a foot of water can sweep away a vehicle. Watch for mold and structural damage in buildings. Boil drinking water until safe supply is restored. Mental health also matters during such conditions. Natural disasters cause trauma, anxiety, and grief. Thus, support your loved ones, talk to professionals if needed, and give yourself time to heal. Role of healthcare professionals is also very crucial during hurricanes. We treat injuries, infections, and chronic illness complications by setting up mobile medical camps. We also provide trauma counseling and public health services. In addition to that, we also help to manage outbreaks of waterborne diseases like cholera or leptospirosis. And not to forget, medical teams also maintain cold chain for vaccines and medications, which is critical during prolonged power outages. Why are hurricanes getting worse? Climate change is the answer. Warmer oceans mean more energy is available for storms to get stronger. According to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, or IPCC, the number of Category 4 and 5 hurricanes has increased over recent decades. Thus, we must act globally and locally to reduce emissions and build climate-resilient infrastructure. Organizations like Federal Emergency Management Agency in US, National Disaster Response Force in India, the Red Cross and the World Health Organization play massive roles during such disasters. They help in evacuations, provide shelters, food and water supply. Additionally, they help in long-term rebuilding and disease prevention. Another vital role of these organizations is to coordinate response with local authorities and communities. You can also support or volunteer with these groups and stay connected with local disaster response units. To wrap it up, hurricanes are powerful, but we are not powerless. The key is preparedness, awareness, and community action. Make your emergency plan today. Talk to your family, pack your go bag, and stay informed. Let's build a safer and more resilient world together. This video is brought to you by Dr. Rajdeep Bahadur Khatri. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe for more content like this. Stay informed and stay healthy.